is Isabel Bates and I'm on the production fast track apprenticeship and I'm doing my placement within BBC Wales in the graphics department. Recently I've been doing a lot of shadowing work with different designers around the team, working on a lot of different projects already, which is good. Doing lots of creative meetings, so inputting lots of ideas already, and assisting with a few projects which is being used for a few concerts, a lot of the sport work as well, so looking at how live production works and how the graphics can influence a programme so much. I'm working on a lot of upcoming productions as well. I've been doing a lot of training on the side too, with the different softwares that we've been using. And I've also done a little bit of music work as well, helping out with some interviews in a recent festival, which has been really useful. And then looking at just how production works, working on a podcast as well. So looking how an audio-based production, how graphics can influence that as well. It's been really useful. It's just an amazing opportunity because you get to learn and do a lot of training with different things, but then also work on the job, work with people who are in the job at the moment. You get to meet so many different people, and there's just such a range as well, even within the apprenticeship. Everyone's on such a different placement, so you get to meet lots of different people. You know, I'm on the BBC, so there's just so many people around, and especially with something like graphics, they work with so many different departments, so then there's always meetings happening, and yeah, it's just a great opportunity. Yeah, so coming into Skill Cymru, which has been really useful aside from the different training. Everyone in Skill Cymru is so useful and helpful. They just kind of give you a lot of different information and help with the different units, and whilst you're on your placement as well, they do lots of different catch-up calls, which is really nice because you've just got always someone to speak to aside from the placement as well. So yeah, it's a really good environment to be in.